Well, here you are, guys. That's avocado salad, and I put lettuce, and we like it. We really like it. So you can do it with lettuce, or like most people do it without lettuce, just cucumbers and tomatoes, onions, and avocado. But very simple, very good, very refreshing. So I hope you will enjoy it. I'll show you now how I prepared it step by step. I hope I included all the ingredients, but that what you can see on the screen, that what we will need to make it. Well, hello there. Avocado salad. Pretty easy. 5 little tomatoes, avocado, 1 cucumber, salt, extra virgin olive oil, half a lemon, black pepper, and red pepper flakes, and 1 onion. Well, let's start. Maybe that's not the safest way to get them out, but that's how I will do. I have this little bowl. It definitely makes life easy in the kitchen, but I will not run to the garbage bin all the time. I'm cutting these ones out. As I said, I'm using only 5 tomatoes. We'll see if that will be enough. It almost seems to me it will be not enough, but we'll see. That very easy because they are so small. I just put it in halves and slice as thin or as big as you wish, or as thin as you wish. I like this salad because it's very hot right now, at least where we live in Canada, in Alberta. It's still around 30, pretty hot outside, and this particular salad feels fresh. So that should be good. As you can see, I'm using under the cutting board this little piece so that my cutting board is not going back and forth. Let me just wipe this. So, and I'll do it. Cucumber. Nothing too fancy. Some people take the seeds out. My cucumber doesn't have many, and I like those, by the way. Just by the way, let me know how would you prefer, because I most of the time, or let's say I used to make videos where it's music in the background, and I was thinking maybe it will be too boring without music, but now this is my second video where I don't use music. So here comes the onion. With onion, what I really like to make it as fine as possible, very as thin as I can, because I don't like big chunks of onion. So that would be for onions. Next, we'll take avocado. Hit me in the comments just for my curiosity, where are you locating? Where are you watching my YouTube channel from? Because I know there must be quite a few in US, from US. Always do it like this. So now cut avocados. I like it like this. Yeah, you can make it maybe safer to put it on a cutting board. And I'll just do it just like this with the cubes. Just make sure that it goes all the way to the bottom. I'll do the same thing here. teaspoon. I'll just put everything there. I'll maybe will bring camera closer to the bowl and show how it will look like. Yeah, pretty easy. Now I'll squeeze some lemon, extra virgin olive oil, not too much, that should be enough. A little bit of salt, black pepper, for color and a little bit of taste. It's not very spicy. And I'll just will mix everything. Definitely fresh, very good for summer. Very good. And the first version of this salad is ready without lettuce. I can say classic avocado salad. And here I will just chop a little bit of lettuce. And now I'm adding lettuce. And we'll see which version of the salad will taste better. Okay, let's try that. But that would be it for today, guys. Yeah, let me know which version of the salad would you prefer. As I said, I like them both.